Assalamu alaikum. I'm Iram Shakir Rahim, CEO of GSK Pakistan. I've worked with GSK for over 25 years. I've held several leadership roles across Asia, including Malaysia, Bangladesh, and Indonesia. GSK, as you know very well, is a science-led pharmaceutical company with the purpose to help people do more, feel better, live longer. Through the work that GSK does, your company ensures access to affordable quality medicines to patients across the country. With around 1,900 employees, GSK Pakistan has built an agile, future-ready organization comprising of expansive manufacturing and distribution network that is quick to adapt to patient needs. Every year, your company manufactures and distributes nearly 400 million packs of medicines, including many critical and life-saving drugs. These are mainly produced across the 3 facilities located in Karachi. Our goal is to be one of the world's most innovative, best performing and trusted healthcare companies. To achieve this, GSK employs 3 strategic priorities, which are innovation, performance and trust. Everything that we do is based on our values of patient focus, transparency, respect and integrity. Whilst courage, accountability, development and teamwork remain core expectations from all GSK employees. In Pakistan, GSK is proud to be the market leader of the pharma industry with a 7.4% value market share and nearly 12% market share by volume. Our core therapy areas include antibiotics, dermatology, respiratory and analgesics, and every second, doctors in Pakistan generate around 4 prescriptions of GSK products. Despite a very challenging 2020 due to COVID, the team in Pakistan continued to focus on our IPT strategy whilst ensuring people safety and business continuity. As a result, at the end of 2020, your company delivered net sales of rupees 35 billion, with the core pharmaceutical business delivering a strong net sales of rupees 33.8 billion and a 6% growth. The company also delivered a strong profit after tax performance of rupees 3.4 billion with a growth of 11% compared to the previous year. Your company responded to the COVID challenge by quickly adapting to a hybrid business model. Introduction of countrywide multi-channel engagement ensured consistent reach to our healthcare professionals, whilst the supply chain teams continued to ensure uninterrupted supply of essential and much-needed pharmaceutical products to our patients across the country. During this unprecedented situation, which led to a significant reduction in non-COVID patient flow, our focus on digital engagements, hybrid working environment, and cost efficiencies allowed us to deliver these strong financial milestones. And as a socially responsible healthcare company, GSK is proud of the support that it provides to the community. During this pandemic, we continued to do this, and the focus was primarily on supporting health-related initiatives. Another key initiative that your company took was the launch of a child-resistant senior-friendly packaging initiative very recently to help reduce any potential risk of harm to unsupervised children and make it easier for seniors when they're opening pharmaceutical products. I'm very proud to share that recently GSK Pakistan was certified as a top employer by the Global Top Employer Institute, a real testament of the company's dedication to a great work environment for the employees and exhibiting excellent HR policies and people practices. Whilst 2020 was certainly an unprecedented year, posing significant challenges, the team looks forward to adapting to the new normal with focus and pace, and remains dedicated to GSK's commitment of providing quality medicines and healthcare solutions to our fellow Pakistanis. Thank you to all our employees and partners for their work and dedication in 2020, and look forward to working together with all of you to deliver strong performance in 2021.